Hello guys, how are you? Welcome again to our familyfreecourses.com. I know you all are very angry with me because in a long time I was not upload any video. Okay, but guys, I am trying my best to upload any video because my exam is running. So that is the reason, guys. I could not upload any video. Please forgive me, guys. Please forgive me. But between this examination, I am uploading a short video. Okay, so any type of mistake is done by me, please forgive me, guys. Because today I am coming here with a big announcement for all of my viewers, subscribers, or those who are watching me. Okay, guys. So today those who are looking for a good internship, take internship opportunity. Okay, because today those who are looking for a good internship with a recognized company. Okay, so the Reliance Geo is inviting the applications for the internship opportunity. Okay, so in this platform you will be get your suitable internship, okay guys, and digital sales job and lot of your passion related internships, okay guys. So please watch this video till the end, okay guys, and please stay with us, okay guys. So you all know that Geo is a very big platform. Okay, in our company, it is a multinational company. We all are known about this Ambani. Okay, guys. So by participating in Geo program, the students will be able to. Okay, so there will be some eligibility criteria. Okay, but I am telling you one thing, guys. Those who are enrolled any type of course. Okay, any type of graduation upper undergraduation course, all will be eligible for this internship, okay guys. Listen to guys at the till the end, okay, and stay with us. Okay, so by participating in the Geo internship program, the students will be able to experience a digital organization, learn the practical applications of theory, and learn from the experts of this industry. Okay, in this internship, they will teach you a lot of things, okay, which are related in your future. Okay, and those who are very helpful for you in your when you're going to a interview, okay guys. So there will be some selection criteria, okay, because the basic selection criteria is eligible. Who are the eligible? Okay, the complete minimum 18 years of age while accepting this internship, must be enrolled in a full time degree or diploma program with the government recognized education institute. The institute where you enroll should grant the necessary permission for this internship. Should not have complete the degree or diploma. Okay, I am telling you briefly. Okay, guys. So those who are minimum 18 years old, all are eligible for this. Okay, minimum 18 years age is required, guys. Okay, you will be complete your 18 years, so you will be eligible for it. Okay, guys. So there will be lot of internships. Okay, lot of internships in this Geo career platform. Okay, you will be enroll anyone for it. They will give you the city from where you go to this for this internship. There will be internship in network, social media marketing, analyzing publication framework, and lot of things, guys. Okay, so one important thing, guys, they does not give you any type of stipend during this internship because they thought that this internship is very important for you, so they would not think any type of stipend for you. But I am telling you one thing, guys. If you does not get any type of stipend, does not upset, guys, because Geo is a very big platform. Okay, if you get a certificate from the Geo, so if you go to for an any type of interview, there will be high chance, okay, to select in this interview. Okay, guys. So that is the reason, guys. Enroll for this internship. You will be very suitable for it. You will be suitable for your any type of related field. Suppose if you suitable for the catalog, enroll for this, guys. Okay, I am choose randomly one type of internship like data catalog. The city is Mumbai. Okay, you going to the Mumbai and doing this during your internship. This internship is the duration is 3rd May of 2021 to 2 July 2021. Okay, guys, and the another is the MSA based application development. Is the situation, the city is the Mumbai. Okay, the internship city is Mumbai. Duration 3rd May 2021 to July 2021. Okay, guys. Okay, there will be how to apply. I'm just sharing you how to apply. Please go to this. Suppose if your suitable internship is like the internship in enterprise, go to this submit interest. Okay, guys. After that, this type of screen is open. Okay. So this type of screen is open for you. Okay guys, go to this screen. One second guys. At first you have to log in. So you logging in this portal. Okay guys, Jio Digital Life. Sorry guys, there will be some network issue. Okay, in my broadband. Okay, so at first you go to the, you write your email ID and then your password. Okay, and then login. Okay, after successfully login, you go to I am showing you. You go to your suitable. Okay, so after, okay guys, this type of form is open for you. Okay, in your suitable internship. Okay guys, at first you will be fill your personal information. After this, higher education information, preference, in which city will be suitable to doing your internship, preference city, preference location, then scan copy of your Aadhaar card and scan copy of your college ID. Okay, submit of interest, first name, last name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, email ID, email address, mobile number, highest education information. Okay, guys. Then preference city, document, scan copy of your college ID card. Okay. Then okay, then I agree to these terms and conditions of this program and then submit your application form. Okay, this is a very simple process, guys. Okay, anyone can do this process in very easy way. So it is my recommended request to all of you guys, those who are in your college, go to this Geo Career and enroll for it. Enroll for your suitable internship. Okay, guys, because you need not to upload any type of CV. Okay, so they will mail you. Okay, through the mail they will inform you if you selected or not. Okay, if you selected, go to this section, guys, because Geo is a very big platform. You will be get any type of certificate from the Geo. Okay, after successfully completion of your internship, you should get a you get a certificate. Okay, those who are show in your resume. Okay, so go to this, guys, go to this section and submit your. And another thing is, guys, please forgive me because my exam is running, so that is the reason, guys, I could not upload any type of video. Please guys, please subscribe us and please support me, guys. Please support me, I need your support, guys. And please subscribe our channel and to be a family member of your small little family free courses. Okay guys, thank you to all of you. Okay, my exam is end, guys, so that is the reason I am trying my best to upload daily, take a daily new type of webinars, internships, and lot of premium courses totally free for you guys. Okay, and another thing, guys, and please comment me. Okay, I try my best to that type of courses. Okay, in our video. Okay, thank you guys to watching this video.